I'm thinking this one can stay. Maybe we can just freshen it up some. Yeah, that ought to do it. Uh-oh, I think I'm out of ammo. That's not good. Nope. Just a misfire. All right, so that one I think I can leave for now. I'll just have to write on it with the Sharpie. Knew I saw another one around here somewhere. I'm going to take that one back. We can use that one for target shooting. That small deer print. Back here, I'm not sure what this is. See if I can find it again. Oh, can't really tell on that one. I saw what appeared to be horse hoofs. There's deer print right there. So this is on the west side of the property, and most of the signs on this side were okay. I only had to put like maybe 1 or 2 up. I'm just going to freshen up the yellow ones with some more ink and put our name and telephone number on it. Like I said, I don't care if, you know, if anybody hunts the property. It's fine with me. I just want to know that you're here, and when you're here, and where on the property you're going to be. We don't want anybody shot, and you'll have to sign a waiver of some sort, releasing me of any damages and holding you responsible for anything that happens due to being on the property. The signs I got are kind of like a heavy duty, almost like metallic type material. These signs should last a while. Those other ones, when I just repaired that one there back there, those are kind of papery and flimsy. I got a feeling they'll probably be gone before the winter. I don't know. I got more. Hold on, because I do want to try to post the south side and the entire east side once I find that back corner, which I haven't found yet. I think I got a squirrel throwing acorns at me. And don't laugh, I'm not kidding. Yeah, I got yelled at over there. I think I was a little too close to his home. This is kind of almost cornered and fenced in. So it might have been I'm thinking they might have had some sort of livestock back here at one time. Who knows? But I'm gonna have to definitely put flags on these, so if the boy's out here, or anybody else for that matter, we don't want them running into this. This is kind of difficult to see. If you were running through the woods, you wouldn't be able to see that, and that could cause an injury. But you can see that it goes over to that tree and then corners back this way and follows all down along there. I'm thinking it was for livestock now. I haven't researched all of the history of the property yet. Either way, it does seem like it's kind of pushing the deer in a certain direction because they can't get by with the barbed wire fence there. This really bugs me. I see a lot of this out here in these woods. I was told that it's not likely the previous owners. It might have been the owners prior to the ones we purchased the property from, but I find trash like that everywhere in here. I got a lot of cleanup to do in here. You know, I wonder if that was a bait trap. I'll bet you somebody set that up for bait. Looking at it again, I didn't notice the barbed wire in there. This is about the spot where I saw the car park. And like I said, I don't know if the person was coming in to take a leak or what. That's part of why I came back out here. My suspicion was they're not, if they're coming on the property to get deer or anything for that matter, my thought was they weren't shooting. If anything, I thought maybe they might be trapping. And that's gonna piss me off. I'm traveling down the south, down on the east side of the property line. At least I think I'm on my property. I'm not entirely sure, but I know my northeast corner should be somewhere back over that way, because there's a field over here which floods out according to flood maps. So I know I'm right on the edge of the property, and there's somewhat of a path here that's not well defined, but defined enough that it seems like it's going along the eastern portion of the border. And yeah, I'm on a hike seeing if I can find that southeast pin. So now I'm probably barely halfway down to the property line. And it's starting to get a little too thick in here for me to go in. I'm gonna probably have to come out here and clear some better pathways out here so you can walk better. Although I do see what appears to be somewhat of a path. Not much to get like a truck down here or anything. But apparently maybe somebody had this all cleared at one time. And right about here, it's iffy if I'm even on the property now. I could be off the property, I could be on it, because I know I'm near that field. And the pine over here is getting real thick. So until I'm gonna get one of those apps that you can put on the phone. It tells you roughly where you are on the property. And then I'm gonna have to get in here and cut up some trees and brush hog down, make some better, more defined paths. That's hardwood. Unfortunately, I can't get my truck down here to pull those out. And I don't want to carry them. So we're going to need one of those little 4x. I probably should be wearing orange, or at least an orange hat. I mean, granted, no one should be on the property, but you never know. Well, I'm getting better. I didn't feel lost this time. Back to the main pathway, which leads right back to the house.